In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Shopify. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end you'll have an event set up and ready for customers to buy tickets directly from your Shopify store. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in the back end, look toward the top of the screen for the main search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose Apps. This is a quick shortcut that takes you to the app discovery flow. In the search field that appears, type the word tickets and then press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new view and show you a list of apps related to ticketing. From the search results, look for an app called EV Events and Tickets. When you see it, click on it to open the app's information page. Here you can review details like features, screenshots, and pricing to make sure it fits your needs. When you're ready, click the install button. Shopify will guide you through a few installation prompts, such as confirming the permissions the app needs. Go ahead and follow those prompts until the installation is complete. Once the app is installed successfully, it will automatically open its own dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Now that the app is set up, you're ready to create your first event. On the app's dashboard, look for a button labeled Create Event and click it. This will open the event editor, where you configure all the details of your event. Start by adding your event name. Choose something clear and descriptive so customers immediately understand what the event is about. Next, you'll choose the event type. Here, you can set it as a one-time event with a specific date, a recurring event with multiple dates, or an event with no date yet if you're still finalizing the schedule. Then set the location. You can choose a physical venue, an online event, an origin and destination setup if it's travel related, or no location yet if you're still deciding. After that, adjust the event visibility settings to control whether the event should be visible on your online store right away or kept hidden while you finish configuring details. Finally, set up your ticket type. Enter your ticket price, then define the inventory or number of tickets available so you don't oversell. Once all of that looks good, click Save Event. Your event is now created in Shopify and you're ready to start selling tickets.